Hey there, Allison with EverydayShortcuts.com. Welcome back to my channel. So with the new Barbie movie that's coming out in July of 2023, I thought let's do a Barbie inspired cocktail, more like a Malibu Barbie cocktail, and it's gonna be like a pink cocktail. It's gonna be more like fruity, tropical flavors, stuff that reminds you of the beach. So let's get started in making this fun Malibu Barbie pink cocktail. So what you need to make this cocktail is just a few ingredients, and I'm going to show you what they are. So I like to add pineapple juice, 100% pineapple juice, some grenadine, coconut Malibu rum, and this is what makes it like the tropical coconutty flavor, orange juice, cranberry juice, and then to garnish it, I got this cocktail sugar and it's pink, and I'm going to use some corn syrup to help it stay around the rim. And we're also going to garnish it with a cherry and a pineapple. I did have some pineapple wedges, but I ended up cutting this all up the other day. So if you have a pineapple wedge, I suggest garnishing it with that and a cherry. And you can even use like some fun cocktail picks if you'd like, or just kind of cut a slit into the pineapple wedge and then put it onto the edge of the glass and set a cherry on top. And you're also going to need some ice for this. I suggest like some nugget ice. It just kind of goes better like this into the cocktail. And I'm going to be using a small cocktail glass. So let's get started making this fun recipe. Okay, there you have it. Here's our Malibu Barbie Pink Cocktail. It turned out so good and tastes delicious too. It's the perfect summertime drink to enjoy even before the new movie.